Now, good day everyone, and in today's activity, I will explain the transportation problem, part of the activity 3, which has a 3 warehouse type and their own specific set of values. The first one is the current situation warehouse, second is the warehouse in central only, and then the warehouse in each zone. And so we are given an Excel file, and we can see that the first given situation is the current situation. So in this box, it displays the average cost of a book, which is 10 units, replenishment lead time, which is 7 units, weekly demand of books in a zone, which is 50,000, the standard deviation of demand, which is 25,000, and the replenishment order, which equates to the weekly demand, and as well as the formula for the safety stock. So now there is a 3 warehouse location in different specific regions that are located in the eastern, central, and then the western part. And each of their own demand, which is set to 50,000 from the total of all costs from the shipping to the 3 regions. And the sum of all ship demand from each of their regions. So now for the first warehouse, which is this one, we selected that it is located in the western part. Well, that's why there is a one or a yes on the warehouse column. So next is to determine the shipment cost from different regions. And this is the formula, which is the by getting the ship from the eastern part times by 2 quarters divided by 4. Mhm. And then this one which came from the central part times 3 divided by 4, and then times 4 times the units from the ship from the western part divided by 4, and then yeah. So, and since this is the region that is selected, therefore there is a 1,500 place, and 1,500 place for the warehouse operating cost, while the other 2 regions does not have any because there is no operating cost for them. And to achieve this 1,500, this is the formula, which is 0.01 times the sum of the ship demand from each region, and then we will get the 1,500. Now moving on to the weekly warehouse fixed cost. Um, to achieve this one, the 13,027, this is the formula which is by getting the 200,000 plus the 1.5 times the probability of 0.997 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 3 times the 25,000 from the standard deviation of demand plus the sum of the ship demand from each region, and then divided it by 2, 52 rather, which is the total weeks in a year, and then we will get the 13,027. Next is the cycle inventory, which is 3,606, and this is the formula by clicking this cell, which sums the three the 3 regions and their own ship demand, which is 50,000, and then divided by 2 times 10, which is the average cost of a book, times the 0.25, and then the total weeks in a year. And then we will get the 3,606. And then for the safety inventory cost in weekly, which is 8,090, and this is the formula again, which is the probability of 0.997 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 3, and then times the standard deviation of demand, which is 25,000, times the 0.25 times 10, and then which is the average cost of book, and then divided by the total weeks in a year, which is 52. Then we will arrive at 8,090. And then for the total weekly cost, this is by getting by sum by we're just gonna sum all the shipment cost from the operating cost, the weekly warehouse fixed cost, cycle inventory, and the safety inventory cost, which we will get the 50,000, 37,500, and then the 51,222 respectively for Eastern, Central, and then Western. Yeah, so this is the formula. Mm. So, and lastly is the total cost, which is just sums up the total weekly cost, which results in $138,722. Yeah. So that's it for the current situation. Now moving on to the warehouse in Central only. So, and in this situation, in this table, as we can see, there is the same values of demand, and but this time the one or the S is placed in the central as it indicates in central only. So the only change made here was in the shipment cost. So in order to achieve this first in the eastern is we must get the 50,000 from the demand of shipment multiplied by multiplied by the 3/4 and divided by 4. And then the next is the uh, and then next is the and then next is the central, which is multiplied by 2, multiplied which is 2 multiplied by 50,000 from the shipment demand divided by 4, which is 25,000. And then next is the central, which is 2 multiplied by um 2 multiplied by 50,000 from the shipment demand divided by 4, which is 25,000. And the western part now is the which is the same formula, but add multiplying by 3 as the western, and 50,000 from the shipment demand and divided by 4 as well. The shipment cost is 0 from eastern and then in western. Ayan. Well, the formula for the weekly warehouse costs, um, this is the formula, which is 200,000 plus the 1.5 times the probability of 0.997 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 3 times the 25,000 plus the sum of the shipment demand from the eastern part, this one. And then dividing it again by 52, which is the total weeks in a year. As we can see that this is the same formula as we seen in the first situation in the current situation. Yeah. So in the cycle inventory cost, this is the formula, which is by getting the sum of ship shipment demand from the central part and divided it by 2 times 10 times 0.25, this one, the average cost of a book over by n over 52, which will arrive at 3,606 again. Yeah, this is the same formula as we seen earlier. Now, by getting all the total costs, we're just going to sum up all from the shipment costs from the eastern all the way up to the safety inventory cost in weekly, which will arrive at $37,500, which is this one, 51,222, and then the $37,500 respectively for eastern, central, and then in western. And then getting the total cost once again, which sums up all the total costs from from each region, from the eastern, central, and then western, which will arrive at 126,222. Now moving on to the next and then last table, as we can see in this section, there is a changes made for the replenishment order or the replenishment order. And now there is here we go, shipment rate times 7, and for the safety stocks formula changes as well. Okay. So moving on to the table, we can see that there is now 50,000 in each region, in which now, as it indicates that the warehouse has in each region, in the central, eastern, and in western. So so now there is a one or a yes in each region for this column. So for this shipment cost from each region, the formula from the previous tables stays the same. while for the shipment cost from each region follows the same placement and formula as well. Mm. Yeah. So their operating cost from the warehouse, which is now 500 as obtained from this formula, which is by getting the 0.01 times the sum of the ship demand from the eastern region part, which results in 500. And then this one for the central part, and then this one for the western part, which gets which gets the 500 operating costs in warehouse in each region respectively. So now the weekly warehouse fixed costs have each now has a 8,091, which is by getting through this formula, which is the same formula as from the two previous tables. But this one we're just going to select in each of their own specific regions, in which in this eastern part is we're getting in this row, the 50,000 from ship demand, and then this one from the central part, and then this one for the western part. And moving on to the cycle inventory is by getting all the sum divided by 2 times 10 times 0.95 again, and then divided by the total weeks in a year to arrive at 1,202 from each of the specific regions. And then moving on to the safety inventory cost, uh, this is the formula, which is by getting the 2.745 times the square root of 2 times the square root and sum of the part of the ship demand from the eastern part divided by 25,000, which is the standard deviation of demand, times again the 25,000 times 0.25 times the total weeks in a year times the average cost of a book, which we will get by 6,599. Mm. Now, the total cost for each region, which is for $41,391,000, and summing up, the three will total in $124,174. So, in conclusion, the first warehouse, which is the current setup, is estimated at 138,722 as the most expensive of all, and incurs a high cost of shipping and uh, needs an additional safety stock as seen in the first table. So while naman sa second table, which is the central warehouse only, and resulted only in 126,222, presents a uh, more of a balanced approach of costs and in logistics operations as well. While lastly is having the warehouse in multiple regions concluded a $124,174, which is the most cost effective among the three choices. And that is all for my transportation activity. Thank you.